Alright, we're gonna open up this baler and get ready to make a baler number 2 natural. This is an old, I think a marathon, right Gabe? Marathon baler. It's a 3-phase vertical baler. And, oh God, I may have to put the phone down for a second. That does not want to open. Oh, does that friggin' stink. That's it right there. Baler number 2 natural. This is gonna be probably part 1. Our wires, I gotta open up a bundle of wires, but basically right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. It's hard to see, but right there. Feed the wires in. They come out on the top there. It's hard to see. I'm gonna raise it a little bit, so, but right there, right there, right there. We'll put 2 wires around it, wrap it, and then pop it. It is a pain in the ass, and it freaking stinks. This is mostly milk jugs, 1-gallon water jugs, but God, it's cold. It's winter time now, so it's not as bad, but Jesus, in the summertime, oh, this is rank. When we first started doing this, oh God, 16 years ago, God, it'd take us 2 hours to do one of these. Now we can wrap it and pop it in about a half hour, 20 minutes, half hour or so. But it'll take 12 wires to hold it together, and we'll pop it out, weigh it, and then put it into inventory. So this is part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching.